Hi guys, I'm Becca and today I'm going to be reviewing this Ethique facial cleanser and makeup remover. So they're palm oil free, all of the products from Ethique, they're cruelty free and they're vegan, which is really good, and you're saving so many plastic bottles of makeup remover, and also you don't really need to use any cotton buds or cotton pads. If you just use a face cloth, it does the job. It is really good because obviously there's no plastic at all. The only thing is this little sticker here, which is I think made of PLA, which is biodegradable if you put it in your commercial compost bin. The rest of the packaging is cardboard. Inside there are 3 little bars, so I've already removed one, and they come wrapped in just paper. So they come and they're just this little size, and basically you just put it under hot water. The website says warm, but I struggled to make it melt with just warm water, so I'd recommend quite hot water. And then you just rub it in your hands and kind of put that onto your face. I did also just put the bar straight onto my face as well, because I found it quite hard to transfer it from my hands to my face. It is slightly more difficult to take off heavy makeup. I think it removes face makeup really easily, but things like mascara, eyeliner takes a bit more work. You have to use a face cloth, definitely. I tend to wear either no makeup at all or quite a lot of like heavy eyeliner and mascara, so I think I will continue to use this, but I'll probably also remove my makeup prior to using it as well. So I would recommend this as a facial cleanser and foundation remover, and I mean, decide for yourselves if you think it works quite well. If you don't wear a lot of eye makeup, then you will probably be fine.